So in this example, it states, a carpenter decides to buy a fixer-upper house for $60,000 and invest another $15,000 in rehabbing it. He allows himself 10 weeks to rehab the house and sell it at a profit. A real estate agent determines for the carpenter that, within this time frame, there is a 55% chance the house will sell if priced at $115,000, a 30% chance of selling if priced at $130,000, and a 15% chance of selling if priced at $140,000. What profit can the carpenter expect from reselling his fixer-upper? Again, as we go ahead and we read any of these word problems, collect all the information that's pertinent here. We have a $60,000 here, $15,000 here, a lot of probabilities going on. We have a 55% chance here at $115,000, 30% chance here at $130,000, and 15% here at $140,000. And of course, what is the expected profit that he's going to make? So we'll go ahead and we'll make our table here. We're talking about a profit here. And of course, the probability of those profits occurring. So as you can see, 55% chance the house will sell at $115,000. I'm going to put $115,000 here. And he's got a 55% chance of it selling within that time frame at this amount. 30% chance if he prices it at $130,000. And of course, a 15% chance of selling it at $140,000. So you can see how the probability of him selling it within those time frames goes down as the price goes up. 55% plus 30% plus 15%, that's our 100%. Don't forget your probabilities have got to tally up to 1. So then we'll just go ahead and multiply each one and then sum it all together. So I've got $115,000 add 55%, add that to $130,000, add our 30%, and of course add that to $140,000 at 15%. So tally all this up, and we have $123,250. But let's not forget that he spent $60,000. He paid $60,000 for the house and then invested another $15,000 in rehabbing it. So he invested $75,000. If he had the two together, he invested $75,000, but then eventually makes $123,000. So we have to take that $75,000 off of there. So I have $123,250, and I'm going to subtract out the $75,000 he invested. So his actual profit is $48,250. So this is actually $48,250. Still not a bad deal.